Hi, welcome to Ushanj. So this is a tutorial video of JEE Voyage the Green Line Notion Template by Ushanj, that how we can use it out and be productive. Let's see that how we can use it and get ahead of our competitors, enhance our preparation and be focused in our studies. So first of all, we are having this Pomodoro section where we can do our study sessions with focus, and whatever the study sessions we will complete, we can mention it here, means we can note it down that what was the last study sessions we have completed. Next we are having table of content, okay, where we can directly jump to a specific feature or part of this template. Even we can go through here also, but the issue is this is not available in the mobile phone. So you would have this will be very helpful if you are using this template over a mobile phone. Next we are having a daily voyage log. This is basically a to-do list where we will be mentioning that what we have to do today. Like task 1, we are having a task 1 which we have to do on 3rd of December 2025. Once it has been completed, you can click on check button, it will be showing here. Then after that you can track all these tasks as a weekly view, okay, over here. Then if you will click on complete button, it will move out to the completed section, and you can check it out over a monthly view also. Even if you are having a task and you want to mention something in the task, okay, then you can click there and come here and you can mention that uh, in this task okay, if you are having any tags like it is regarding your personal, home, friend, revision, lecture, academics, it is my personal, so I can select the personal, it will be showing here. You can go back and you can check task 1 showing us personal, you can check, uncheck, you can track it out from calendar view, weekly view, and even though monthly view too. Next feature, we are having battle records. It means you can track your mock tests here. Like if I'll be giving a mock test in offline, online, wherever it is, I can mention the mock 1 and then track when we have attempted it out, and what will be the scores. I have marked 1, 2, 3, whatever it is, okay. And if you want to show more things, so we are having more things also. What you can do, you can click on this button, you can go to property visible, and then if you want to show total questions there or any chapter which is connected there over the home page, so you can show it out like rank and percentile, notes, whatever you want to show, you will be able to show it here via going to this button and property visible, okay. If you want to track all of your mock tests, so you would have to just click on this button, and yeah, here you can track all of your mock tests, whatever you have given till the date. Next we are having a resources island. This is a resource section where you will be mentioning all of your resources for your preparation. Like if you are having a book, a lecture, any website, any PDF, so you can mention it out here. Let me create a new one. Like I'm having a PDF 1, name of the PDF, the priority of this will be of high, it is a PDF, okay. And the chapters connected with this is like sets, relations and functions. I'm studying about this here. So this is the way you can track your resources here. Whatever the resources you will add here this week, it will be showing here only, okay. And if you want to track all of your resources, you can click on go to all resources, and yeah, you can check all of your resources here, resources library. Next we are having a subject tracker as training ground, where we will be tracking all of our subject chapters and their sections. Like we are having a chapter called sets, relation and function. If inside this, if we are having any section, we can mention. If inside that also, if we are having any section, we can mention it here. Even inside that also we are having any section, so we can mention it here. It can work like a mind map also for you, okay, if you will be using it properly. Next, once you complete the chapter, you can mark it as completed. When you have studied it last, like today you have studied any resources linked, like the PDF which we have connected, I am connecting it here, okay. And any test linked, like today we made this mock 1, so we will be connecting this mock 1, we have done this. Number of revisions, so we have just revised it twice. Note summary, like whatever you want to mention, A, B, C. Okay, as per you, it is not started, progress done, need revision. So I think it need revision. So I will select need revision. Any subtopic and content you want to mention it here, you can mention it. Okay, next it is regarding the subject, so you should not touch it out here. Next, then the understanding level. So the understanding level for the subject is of average, so you can calculate it out here also. Okay, same we are having for physics. Okay, same we are having for chemistry too. You can track all of your chapters, their sections. Okay, and you can use it as a mind map also. Next, if you want to track all the chapter directly, all the subjects directly, so you can click on this button, and yeah, you can track all of your subjects and all here. Would request do not edit this page. Okay, next we are having a section of cruise general, revision tracker, where you can mention all of your chapters or the section you want to revise and track it out when you have revised, what are the numbers and all. Okay, like this convex mirror, not, let us go with the trigonometry. So I am creating a revision as trigonometry, so we will be going through all and click on here. Okay, next it belongs to mathematics, so we will be selecting the mathematics section, and the revision date is of 3rd might be the next okay, the confidence in this is low, so we'll be again looking into it, and next revision will be of 4th, means tomorrow. Next we will be checking the number of revisions, so the number of revision will be of 2nd. Okay, after the 2nd revision also it is having a low confidence, so we will be moving ahead for this. Okay, now we will be checking it out as a subject wise. So over mathematics we can check now that trigonometry is available here. Okay, it means we have we are checking it out as a subject wise. Now whatever the pending revisions, you'll be able to check that trigonometry is having a pending revision. Okay, next mastered section, where you will complete all of your revision. Okay, and select that yeah, it has been completed, so it will be showing it out as a master section. Okay, if you want to track all your revision chapters and sections, so you can click here and you can track all of these here. Okay, next we are having a devil's fruit of knowledge section. It is a flashcard basically. Okay, like if you will check it answer, it will show the answer. If you will click on not, then it will not show the answer. It has been divided into chapter wise, like if you are having any flashcards regarding physics, so you can mention it out here. Like let me create one for you, like who are you. Okay, and what will be the answer? That I am Abhishek. What is the level? Easy. And yeah, we can say new subject belongs to physics, and then you would have to do nothing over here. Okay, and just close it out. Now you can check, we are having a new section, new flashcard named who are you. If you will be checking it the answer, it will be showing I am Abhishek. So that's all for the JEE Voyage template. If you will find any issue, you can click on connect creator. It will be giving you the option how you can connect me. Next you can click on how to use. If you will find any issue, you can check it out here. If you will find any issue, you can create, means if you want to give a feedback, you can give it from here. And if you want to connect us over Instagram, so you can connect it here. And that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.